What's going on, everybody? Steve here. Today I want to talk to you about 4 ETFs that I like and I have in my portfolio, and I figured that I would talk to you about it and see if any of these are right for you, or perhaps some of y'all have. But without further ado, I'm out here walking in the park. Let's get into it. The first ETF I'd like to talk to you about today is VTI. That's the ticker symbol, VTI, and that stands for the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Now this ETF has, I don't know how many stocks are in the basket, but it's a lot, like thousands. And it's the total stock market wrapped up like so many businesses that by itself it could be an investment, one investment. Like, you know, that could be your portfolio, just one stock. VTI, no joke. VTI is trading at a you know, at or around its 52-week low, because, you know, all the stuff with the market and the uncertainty. I look at it, you know, that it's the buying time and the opportunities. It's a good time to look at these stocks. That's why I figured I'd bring up this video today. So today I think it's trading, if I'm not sure, let me look at my other phone. It's, yeah, $194.46, and it's off of its high at $244.06. Now what's cool about this, even though it has all of these stocks, it still pays quarterly, and it pays a dividend. And I think the dividend, if I'm not correct, is I think it's 1.58%, which is small, but it's not minuscule. And I think it pays like $3, if I'm correct, $3.04 annually per share. So I mean, it's not bad, and it's something to really consider. Also, the thing I like about VTI, now I am an advocate of another stock called VOO, but VTI covers a lot of small cap stocks that VOO doesn't, because VOO is more of a S&P 500 companies. So you get a lot more coverage with VTI than you do with VOO. But all the same, their growth and pattern with the market is somewhat similar, so you don't miss out. Another one I want to talk to you about is BNQ. BNQ is the Vanguard real estate ETF. Now, a lot of people are interested in real estate. If you're a new investor, you're interested in getting into real estate, but you don't want to deal with the hassle of buildings and tenants and being a landlord, then BNQ is for you. It's also a good stock to where, you know, it just covers, I don't know how many real estate companies, but it's only real estate companies, real estate stocks. And what's cool about it is it has a higher dividend, and I think the dividend's at, let me take it out, 3.11%, and it pays $2.86 a share. You gotta excuse the cars, I'm in the highway. And it gives you full exposure to the real estate, and not just houses. You get houses, commercial, you know, and I'm not sure, forgive me if I'm wrong, I think you get a lot of theme park and a lot of extracurricular type of stocks as well. So it's something that I definitely use, you know, in my portfolio. I love it, you know, and it works for me, you know. Another stock I like to talk about is VXUS, which is Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. I'm walking, I'm pumping out here. And that's a lot of international stocks. And what's cool about this is it gives you a lot of exposure outside of the United States, because the other two that I aforementioned, they talk more about this is not going right for me. They talk more about well, the investments are more US based. And I get distracted easy, you can tell. And these are more international. Now, what happens is once you do this, once you invest in this company, you get access to a lot of companies that are talked about on the stock exchange in America that are outside the United States. Companies like Nestle, you know, the people that make hot chocolate and chocolate bars. You got Taiwan Semiconductor, Tencent Holdings is in there, and one that I like, Alibaba. Everybody know Alibaba. It's like the Asian Amazon. So there's a lot of good investments in there, and it gives you a lot of exposure to big companies that are outside of the United States. And I think VXUS is trading right now at like, it's at a low too, $51.42 off of a high of $67.12. So I mean, it's very worth jumping into it, because when I leave here after this video, I'm gonna go and check it out. I might buy a few more shares. We'll see though. But yeah, this one, it has a dividend of 3.95%. I think it pays quarterly, which is every 3 months. You get your dividend payments every 3 months, and also it pays $1.99 at present time per share annually. So, you know, as you fill up the shares, they start picking up, you know, you can make pretty good money off of that. 3.95%, almost 4% off your money. You can't beat it. That's a good dividend. And it has a lot of companies, so your risk of having just one company faltering or at a low is protective. So to me, it's very worth the investment. The last one I'm going to talk to you about, and a personal favorite of mine, is BND. BND is the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF. Now, a lot of us know, a lot of times bonds are used as almost like a hedge, or like to cushion times of extremity, like now. A lot of times when the market is down, bonds go up, and vice versa. But you know, in the uncertainty we're dealing with now, bonds will be up and stocks will be up, or they both be down. But you know, traditionally bonds are a good investment because they help cushion the blow of any type of news that comes out, to where they help your portfolio, especially when you're going through times like this, I guess. But those are my 4 ETFs today I wanted to talk about. Remember VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VNQ, which is Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VXUS, Vanguard International Stock ETF, and also we got BND, which is the Vanguard Total Bond ETF. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to me. As always, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. If you got shares about it, if you got shares, or you got anything to say about what I said, is it working for you? Do you have shares already? Or if you're thinking about it, man, drop a comment, man. Let me know what's going on. I'd love to hear from you. But as usual, I drop videos every day. I'm getting better with the camera, feeling more confident, walking it out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much, and take care.